Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Garden Stories. If you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Preet, and if you like my videos, just make sure to like, share and subscribe. So today's video is about how to grow ginger at home. Before planting, set this ginger rhizome aside for a few days to allow the cut surface area to heal and form a callus. Each piece should be plump with well developed growth buds or eyes on it. So, after some days, the cut portion has dried well, and second thing you notice is bigger size of growth buds or eyes. So you can clearly see how beautifully the buds have appeared. Ginger thrives best in warm, humid climate, so choose a site that provides plenty of light, including 2 to 5 hours of direct sunlight. For growing ginger in pots, select pot size of 10 to 12 inch and make sure it have good drainage. And the best soil for ginger is loose, loamy and rich in organic matter. Loamy soils allow water to drain freely, which will prevent the rhizome from becoming waterlogged. Plant the rhizome 2 to 4 inches deep and with the growth buds pointing upward. Water lightly immediately after planting, but after that do not add much water until sprout starts to show up. It will take ginger 2 to 3 weeks for sprout to come out, and do not add water until sprouts are visible. And after that, check the soil regularly and water once the soil is completely dry. For fertilizing, add liquid fertilizers such as seaweed solution, and you can also add compost, which will also supply nutrient as well as retain water in the soil. So here I'm adding cow dung compost. So you can add fertilizer every few weeks for better growth. So let's do this. Ginger can be harvested by digging up the entire plant, although it may be harvested at any stage of maturity, but the best time is when the plant is 8 to 10 months old. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe.